Hello guys, I've recently bought this Go Whack 3-in-1 whack blower and inflator. I've just bought it because I thought it's really compact, so I can use it around the desk or around the tabletop of my kitchen. So I'm just going to unbox it with you. So that's a little bit hard. Sorry, it took longer than it should have. Crack on and unbox this together. So as you can see, lovely. So it is rechargeable. Let's crack on and open it. Oh, let's just see what this thing is. So I've got the little adjustment head I can use. I think I'm just going to basically tear this one off. Oh wow. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video.